Hello, first graders. You are about to take your Unit 2 math test. The first thing you do is always the same. Pick up your pencil and write your name. Okay, for so the problem 1 looks like this. You'll have flowers and suns. Make it bigger so you can see it. It says problem number 1, write the partners and the total. So this is an addition problem. All right, we're going to write the partners on both sides of that break apart stick, and the total is how much there is in all. So write the partners and the total. Number 2 is much the same way. There's that break apart stick. Here's a partner. Here's a partner. That partner goes there. That partner goes there. How many in all? What is the total? Go ahead, pause if you need more time to solve problems 1 and 2. All right, problem number 3. Does the equation match the circle drawing? Choose yes or no. Here is yes, here is no. Does this equation match this circle drawing? So this equation right, let me highlight it. This equation right here, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Does it match that circle drawing? If it does, fill in yes. If it does not, fill in no. Okay, same thing. Does 5 plus 2 equal 7 match this circle drawing? Does 5 plus 2 equal 7 match this circle drawing? Yes or no? Okay, does 6 plus 3 equals 9 match this circle drawing? 6 plus 3 equals 9 match this circle drawing? Yes or no? Pause if you need more time on these 3 questions. Press play when you're ready to begin. All right, so we are going on to the page that is on the back side of this one. So flip it over and it will look like this. It'll have a little 100 in the corner, or it'll be problem number 4. So go ahead and make sure you have this. Okay. It says ring the total number of toys in the group. Okay, inside this toy box, there are 7 dolls in the box. 7 are inside of here. And what I would probably do to help me with that is I would probably, let me see if I can get, I would probably put a 7 on this so I don't forget. Put a 7 on that, and then there's 2 more outside of the box. They want to know how many are there all together. So if there's 7 in the box and 2 outside of the box, how many are there all together? And you can circle the answer. So if you're not finding one of these, then you did it wrong. There's 7 in the box and there's 2 right here. How many are there all together? Go ahead and solve that problem. If you need more time, please press pause. Okay, first graders, try to remember how much is a nickel worth. It's the only silver coin that we talked about in this unit. How much is this guy worth? Okay, this is your nickel, and here are your pennies. How much is a penny worth? Count on from the greatest number. They want to know how many cents. Try to remember how much is a nickel worth. And then how much are pennies worth? Write that number there. Add those together. Pause if you need more time. Okay, problem number 6. Ring a number to show the cars in the box. Write the total. So ring a number to show the cars in the box. Write the total. Oh, I know what it means. Okay, so you see 4 cars outside of the box. Okay, there's 4 outside of the box. You can choose. Do you want there to be 4 in the box, 5 in the box, or 6 in the box? There's 4 outside. So if you choose to put 4 in the box, let's say you circle this one, then you would need to go 4 plus 4, and that would be your total. If you choose 5 to put in the box, it would be 5 plus 4, then your answer would go there. Or if you choose 6 to put in the box, again, it'd be 6 plus 4, and your answer goes there. So choose how many you want to be hidden in the box, and then add that number to this and write your answer there. Pause to solve. Press play when you're ready to begin. Okay, we're going to go on to the next page, and it will have a 7 at the top of it. A 7. Okay, so here we have a whole bunch of problems. Okay, let me see if I can get this in there. See if I can maybe stretch this out a little bit. Dang it. Okay. Let me see if I can maybe make this just a little smaller. Okay, oops. So here you can see, first graders, that there are 4 story problems here and 4 equations over here. These are all subtraction equations. You're going to match the equations to one of these 4 story problems. So for this one, it says there are 8 apples, then 3 are eaten. So since it's a subtraction problem, you may want to cross off the 3 that are eaten to see what the answer would be. There are 8 apples, then 3 are eaten. Okay? So remember, with a subtraction problem, we start with the total first. We start with the largest number. Which one of these 4 equations matches this story? There are 8 apples, then 3 are eaten. Draw a line from this dot to the equation that it matches. There are 8 apples and 3 are eaten. Go ahead and do that now. Okay, for the flowers, it says there are 7 flowers, then 5 are picked. There are 7 flowers, then 5 are picked. Again, it's a subtraction problem. It would help if you crossed off the 5 to see what your answer would be. There are 7 flowers, then 5 are picked. Which one of these matches? There are 7 flowers and 5 are picked. Go ahead and do that now. Draw a line from that dot to the dot that has the equation next to it that matches the story. All right, this problem says subtract 3. Remember, it's a subtraction problem, so you start with how many there are, the whole story, how many there are at the beginning, then you're taking away that number. So which one of these has subtract 3 from it? That makes sense. That is still available. And this one says subtract 6. Which one of these equations matches that? Subtract 3, subtract 6. Okay, draw lines from these dots to one of these dots over here that matches the story to the equation. Go ahead and pause if you need more time. Okay. All right, problem number 8. Make a circle drawing for the equation 6 take away 4 equals an unknown partner. Then find the answer. So a circle drawing for 6 take away 4 and find the answer. Remember, you need to cross off from left to right. And then what's on the other side of the break apart stick on the right side would be your answer. Make a circle drawing for the equation 6 take away 4 equals your answer. Okay, pause if you need more time. All right, our last page, I believe. Write the subtraction equation below the addition equation that helps you solve it. So here are your 3 subtraction equations. they match with one of these three down here. So 10 minus, if I know 10 minus 2 equals 8, which one of these addition equations would match that has the same partners and total? So is 10 minus 2 equals 8, then I know 3 plus 5 equals 8. That doesn't quite make sense. Then 10 minus 2 equals 8, then I know 5 plus 4 equals 9. No. 10 minus 2 equals 8, then I know 8 plus 2 equals 10. Okay, so by process of elimination, I know, and I'm going to give you this one just so you can understand it. I know that this one goes here. So I would write that, write that equation here. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Oopsie daisies. So this one is done. Okay. Now I have to figure out where these two go. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Does it go to 3 plus 5 equals 8 or 5 plus 4 equals 9? 9 minus 4 equals 5. Does that make sense with 3 plus 5 equals 8 or 5 plus 4 equals 9? So go ahead and take a minute and write these subtraction problems underneath their addition equations. Pause if you need more time. All right, your last problem. Write an equation for the story. Make a proof drawing to show that the equation is true. Remember, all it means is by proof drawings is you're just doing a circle drawing. Okay, so write the equation and then prove if it's true. There are 7 flowers in the vase. Lily puts 2 more flowers in the vase. Now there are 9 flowers. All right, so first you'll write the equation for this problem. There are 7 flowers in the vase. Lily puts 2 more flowers in the vase. Now, Ellie, the equal sign, there are 9 flowers. So first write your equation. They're giving you all the parts of the equation. There's nothing that you don't know. You know everything for the equation. Write it out, then draw a circle drawing to prove if it is true or false. Okay, first graders, if you are done with this, please leave it on your desk and work quietly on one of our approved apps. That can be ABC Mouse, IXL, Epic, Prodigy, eSpark, Splash Learn, Frickle, Lalilo. Well, I feel like I'm missing one, but I can't remember. All right. Thank you and great work. Also, it might help if you want to go back and double check your work or go back to any problems you've missed.